I took the subscription of Speed, and there I followed all the videos of, and as well as see the Speed videos from like at least 2 to 3 times preparation. Either you can see the videos and go back to the books. It was a great experience.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr.
Thank
Shaheed
you.
Arman for scoring a topmost rank of 37 in DM Pulmonary Medicine Group in NEET SS 2025. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And also, I thank you for sharing your valuable time with us to share your experiences with us and also to our students. And
Thank you.
can we know your brief background history from where you started till date? What all you have done?
I've done my MBBS from National Medical College in Kolkata. Then I've done my MD in pulmonary medicine from GMC Amritsar. Then I was working in Amit Hospital for last 4 months. Then I got a rank of INI in INI SS AML 24 and now in NEET SS 37 all in a rank.
Fantastic. Congratulations. Wonderful
Thank
achievement.
you. Thank
And
you.
And can we know when you got an idea to start preparing for your DM pulmonary medicine as a super specialty? Who inspired you?
Um, Actually, few of my seniors, when I was in second year, in as a PG resident, some of my seniors were studying from the Speed app. For in second year, in the late second year, I took the subscription of Speed, and there I followed all the videos of Dr. Arjun sir, Dr. Saurav sir, Dr. Pradeep sir, and all the topics that were covered. Mostly that helped me in the MD exam as well as those topics are also there for the NEET SS. So those videos from second year to third year, I have around seen it around 2 to 3 times. So as well as I was studying Fishman, what more, almost all the topics I covered from Fishman. So seeing the videos and going back to the books, it helped me a lot, sir.
Great, amazing, doctor, and wonderful to know. And thanks for sharing it. And can
Yes.
you tell us a little more on the preparation? How long you've been preparing this? I mean, is every day? How much? How has been? What is that kind of you've been towards exam and for NESS and NEETSS?
For NEET SS, the strategy that I had, I did not start studying for NEET SS from second year. Basically, I wanted to clear my topics and my clinics, so I was reading Fishman well. So I have studied most of the topics from Fishman. And in the later part of the third year, like when before the final MD exams, again I did not do much MCQs at that time, but again I have seen all the videos again in twice. So my MD topics were already done. After my MD exams, I started doing the MCQs, the QBanks, and started giving the GTs. This was for the NEET SS part. And the regarding after I went after my MD exams, then I went to Amit Hospital, and sir was there, Arjun sir was there, Saurav sir was there, Pradeep sir was there. They helped me with the latest guidelines. In NEET SS, the topics that are come are pretty common topics like occupational lung disease, mediastinal window, COPD, asthma. So sir, their sirs helped me out with all the latest guidelines. So these important topics that I covered and all the latest guidelines helped me to get this rank, sir. And for INISS, there are also some topics that are repetitive, and there are the medicine part is difficult in INS for the MD pulmonary medicine guys. But as I was preparing for MRCP part 2, I have also cleared my MRCP part 1. That medicine part was helped me a lot in INISS.
Congratulations for you that as well.
Thank you.
Great. Now, number of questions you answered in this exam, and what is the pattern of the paper?
This year, sir, I only left 4 questions and I attempted rest. But this year, the paper I felt was on a tougher side. Most of the questions were from occupational lung disease. That I think around 12 to 13 questions were from occupational lung disease. Mediastinal chest anatomy, several questions were from there. Latest guidelines, the COPD guidelines, and question on dupilumab, it was there. And vasculitis. This time, so there were pretty tough questions from vasculitis. The rest questions that are come from common topics, but I felt that most of the questions that were concentrated from occupational lung disease, mediastinum, and latest guidelines and vasculitis. So.
Great. Now, Thanks for sharing. And what will be your message to the future aspirants of DM Pulmonary Medicine?
Mm, I will suggest everyone to stick to the basics, make the clinics clear, read Fishman, read the tables, and as well as see the speed videos from like at least 2 to 3 times. If there are two types of preparation, either you can see the videos and go back to the books, or you can read the books and get back to the studios. It depends from person to person. Do either way that suits you. But it is at least is important to see all the videos and if possible make some notes. For in my case, I did not have much time. I could not make my own notes. If possible, make your own notes from the videos and keep a watch on the latest guidelines that are coming up on the important topics.
Great, doctor. Now, can we know how you came to speed and who introduced speed to you and what was your experience on that?
When I was in second year, sir, one of my seniors got into NEET and I asked him, sir, what did you follow? Sir told me ki I have done through by Speed app. So I subscribed Speed from I got to know from my seniors.
So, I mean, after coming into speed, what was your experience about that?
So it was a great experience. At first, I was starting. I have started studying Fishman. Fishman is difficult. I felt Fishman is difficult to read all by alone. So I started studying, but I felt something is missing. Then I went back to the videos. I saw first. I saw all the videos. Then I had a clear picture in mind what to read from Fishman and what to emphasize on. So in speed, the thing is that sir has covered all the clinics part also. Also, sir has told about which is important for exam. So it covers both, sir. It also helped in my MD exams as well as clear my basics as well as help me get my MCQs.
Great, doctor. Thank you for sharing
Yes.
it. And faculties of speed will be very, very happy to get to know from you. From your words will make them very happy. Thanks
Thank
for
you so much, sir.
that. And time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they helped you from day one till date in your medical career.
I want to thank all my team. I want to thank my parents and my family and my friends. And I also want to thank Dr. Arjun sir, Saurabh sir, and Pradeep sir. While I was working in Amrita, they helped me immensely, sir. Like from study material, how to read, what to read, and they encouraged me to study. Yes, you can do it. It means a lot, sir.
So you're both online and offline, both in person and online.
Yeah, yes, sir.
You're lucky enough
Yes, sir.
just to have them
Yes,
in
sir. Yes, sir. Pretty
person.
too. This is very true, sir. I'm very lucky in that matter.
Yeah. So once again, we wish you all the best and all the success for
Thank
a
you so much, sir.
clear
Thanks to
career.
you, sir.
Thank you, doctor.
Thanks to you and to the speed team, sir. Thank you so much.
Means a lot. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, sir.